Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about the Spark program. And more specifically, do you think the Spark program will work? Now, the Spark program is a program where the government is going to be spending $40 billion to fix over 2,000 roads in Jamaica, and these roads are to be at the community level. Now, the reason why I want to ask you guys what you think about it is because of the structure of the Spark program, how they're going to implement it. Now, recently, a member of parliament said he is not working with members of the opposite party, the councillors from the opposite party. Now, I want us to bear that in mind when we discuss the Spark program, because a major part of the Spark program is for the members of parliament to decide what roads are to be fixed. So this is what was put out in a press release. Mr. Holness said that members of parliament will play a key role in engaging and consulting their constituents in making recommendations on the roads to be repaired and the order of priority in which they are to be done. The recommended roads must justify the expenditure and order of priority based on the volume of traffic they carry, the interconnectivity they facilitate, and the number of residences, businesses, and public facilities along the roadway, he pointed out. Now, each member of parliament is going to be given $150 million, and they are going to decide the roads to be fixed. So the fact that members of parliament are elected officials, we have to ask, and based on a statement that somebody said recently about not working with the opposition councillors, will the roads that they select, will it be the proper roads to be fixed for the country to move forward, or will it be based on party lines and who vote for who? So that's why I'm seriously wondering if the Spark program is going to work. So guys, what do you think? Do you think that they should change the way the roads are selected? Now, the program is 40 billion over 3 years. They have allocated 20 billion to start this year. 10 billion will be given to the members of parliament, and they will select the roads in their constituency. And then 10 billion will be given to the National Works Agency, and they will decide how they fix their roads. Now, the National Works Agency is a government agency. They are in charge of all the main roads in Jamaica. Not the highways. The highways are NROC. The toll roads, I should say, are NROC. So, let us know what you think, guys. Especially about the members of parliament selecting the roads to be fixed and the priority. I really don't know. I don't think they should be given. I don't think the members of parliament should be the ones to decide what roads in the constituency to be fixed. But then again, on the flip side, when a road needs to be fixed, everybody turns to the member of parliament. So, what do you guys think? But it's very disturbing, especially in light of those recent comments. I really don't know if... I don't know. I'm asking you guys. What do you think? Alright guys, we'll keep you updated on this program and the progress, and we plan to make videos of every road that is under construction for this program. Might take a long time, but we will get to them. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.